Okay, so what you have to do, I will give you the initial line, the starting sentence of the story. It means I am going to begin that, and you have to move forward with it and build a story. For example, like the way, let me give you this initial line. This will be: Yesterday, I went out of my house and someone suddenly snatched my phone. Please go ahead. Then you can mention what happened.
Um, Yesterday, when I stepped out of my home, I was I was traveling in bus. Someone stole my phone. So um, after that, I asked people around me, and I didn't get it. I gave a complaint. Police are investigating it.
You have to make a long story. Like, this person snatched my phone, ran away from there. I was following him. I was shouting for help. The moment I started shouting for help, many people gathered there. They started helping me. They started uh, say they started telling me that they will catch this thief. One of them followed that thief as well. He followed him running. Then what happened? He was not able to catch him. I came back to my home, told everything to my parents. Then together we went to the police station to register the FIR regarding all this theft. Then what happened? Something like this. I know it's tough thinking and giving any shape to the story, but that's good, I guess. From the beginning, if you can start it. Or let me give you the different scenario, I guess, or the different initial line. That will be good, I guess, or better than this. Yesterday, when I woke up, I found myself in a forest.
So,
Please go ahead.
mm, can you repeat the sentence?
Yesterday, when I woke up, I found myself in a forest.
Yeah, yesterday when I woke up, I found myself in the forest. I got little scared, and I spent some time thinking like how I came here, and so I was alone in the forest. I asked for help. No one was there. After some time, I started to find a route to get out of that forest. Um, Though I was little scary, it was a beautiful journey.
I was little scary or scared, because
So,
if you are scary, people will be afraid seeing you. Animals, if they are there, will be afraid seeing you. So I was scared.
and while finding a way to get out of that forest, I saw the what we call that tribal people, tribal community there. So I I'm I tried to communicate with them. They did not get they did not understand my language. Um, and somehow I made them to understand. I asked them for help. Um, um, by the they agreed to help me to show me the way to get out of that forest, and I so that day it was already a late, so we decided to go in the next morning, and I get a chance to
I
explore.
got a chance.
I got a chance to mm, explore their lifestyle, and I saw um, mm, I saw how they are happily living with a simple lifestyle without the technology, without any disturbance, and with the nature. And I also get a chance to see a beautiful
Got.
many got a chance to see many animals. So somehow I came out of the forest and
Started living happily.